This looks cool. That looks incredible. So guys, today I'm excited because I'm going down to Phuket and I'm leaving in a minute. Just been packing all my stuff, just took the back part of my the shell, I guess you would say. Just took it down to the bike, my carry case, locked it in. I guess over the last few months I've not been really happy with my physique and I've been putting on a lot of weight, and so I decided to show you guys and be real. I'm 5 days into the keto diet. Never done it before, but I saw Joe Rogan had done it and he'd lost a significant amount of fat, so let's check it out. As you can see, like, I got a lot of fat and there's a lot to go, so positive thoughts for me. Let's get rid of these man boobies and let's get this body back in shape. Look at that, look at these love handles, look at that belly. That's terrible. So I don't know, it's not easy. We've been in lockdown for a long time and it's time to get fit. So keto day 5, I've only been eating eggs and meat, no sugar, no carbs for the first time. So anyway, that's me. Let's go get some sun and let's finally get to the beach for the first time since I've been in Thailand. Okay, helmet, gloves, glasses, some cash. Gonna take my chesty, backpack, gonna try and lock it into the bike with this. A laptop, a belt. Let's get changed. There's something about when you're going to go on a little trip and it's all exciting. So many days I spent in Melbourne and locked in my house and just going through difficult situations. You gonna come with me on this journey today? I'm pretty excited actually. You can see I'm like a kid. I feel like I'm waking up for Christmas Day. Just getting out of here. Okay, so this is important. Let's get some sunscreen on because it's gonna be hot. And I'm sure my big El Naso knows, I think that's some language. Is that Italian? Is that how you say nose in Italian? El Naso? I don't know, ever since I've been in Thailand, I have this fragrance about me of spicy, spicy something. Okay, how's that? Now what I'm going to do, instead of wearing a t-shirt, I'm actually going to wear a long sleeve top because it's just too hot out there and I'll be pretty burnt. Let's go do this. I mean, I've been on this keto thing for 5 days now and I haven't noticed a huge difference. But anyway, maybe my body's acclimatizing to it, I don't know. But look, that's Clancy of the overflow right there. That's not good. So maybe I'll try and take a video of this fat crap every day. Let's go down to the motorbike. Stupid guy. All right, I'm going. Turn the Turn the lights off. Well, that took bloody ages, but I think this will hold. I don't think it's putting too much pressure on there, I hope. No. That's not great when you tighten this up. So the problem is my little luggage strap that is not purposely built for this is actually too large. So I'm gonna have to design something to fix this. Where can this go? Hang on 1 second. Need to bulk this up a little bit in order to wrap around. I'm running it through the arms of this, so it should be okay. That's pretty tight now. That's pretty tight now, ladies and gentlemen. That's not putting too much on there. Let's have a look. Sideways movement. It's not perfect. There we go. The Batmobile. Okay. Okay, so we are filled up and we are raring to go. $164 Ks to our destination, and that is a cave complex in Phetchaburi, I think. Hey! When you filter through like this, you just got to use your periphery, judge your speed, and don't be impatient. If you can't get through, just slow down. Like that. I'm just loving the Honda on the freeway. It's brilliant. It's got power. Perfect. We're working our way through the traffic. Tell you what, it's crazy. Whoa. Full on today. I'd hate to be in a car. So I just decided to turn off because that freeway was horrible and the road was bad, it was dangerous. So I'm looking for somewhere to buy a nice drink. What is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, it's nice to be off that freeway, I can tell you. Whew. I am thirsty. Oh, this water is hot. Wow. Wow. Sorry, Cam.
Số 70 บาทครับ
This one. Spoil. Maybe I try this one.
ครับ
Can I try on?
ใช้ M
Okay, so I tried this on. 70 baht. Pretty cheap. That's like $3. Anyway, so considering I'm losing the pork, I might go with this. What do you think? Is good? Good?
Good.
Okay. Don't know where I am. Some little place. So let's buy one. No problem. All right.
Thank
See you later. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow, it's hot. I'm trying to find one of those places with one of those ice drinks with fruit. I can't find any on the way, but anyway, this back road heaps better than the freeway. The freeway sucked. It's terrible. So I got to get moving. I haven't done enough K, so it's already 2 o'clock, and I had a meeting online this morning, so that sort of sucked into my time. So I'm off. I'm off. It's great to be out on the road. Here's the Batmobile. Look at that beautiful, sexy bike. Woohoo! This little strap's holding well with the addition of that. This thing is brilliant. Got some stuff under the seat, and I just hang this little bag on here. Seems to hold up well. And this lovely lady, I found the drink places I said I couldn't find, so she's making me lime, a little bit of salt. I said I don't want any sugar, but I'm just getting a tiny, little bit of raspberry, so tiny bit, because she doesn't have any honey. Whew. I've only done about 150 Ks. It's 850 Ks to Phuket, and I want to stay somewhere tonight. I don't know where, but I've got I think about 5 Ks down the road here is some incredible cave, and there's monkeys apparently, so I haven't even seen any monkeys in Thailand yet, so I'm looking forward to it. They reckon don't take any food. Hello.
ใส่ไม่ได้
Huh?
ไอ้ขวดนั่นใส่ไม่ได้
Okay. No problem. Let me taste it. Let me taste.
นี่เอาไหม
No. Can you give me the bottle? Soda. Can you give me the bottle?
ไม่มีไปนู่น
No. The bottle.
อ๋อนี่
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Put my bag. Can take.
ใส่เลยล่ะอ่ะ
I can
เอาไป
take. Okay. I put here. Cup. That way, I won't run out of juice. Because you run out of juice, and that's no fun. No juice, no fun. So let's just whack that on there if we can. Okay, how much?
เป็นแค่นี้เอาน้ำต้มแก้วนึงได้แป๊บนึงอ่ะ
Okay, 40 baht. Cup, thank you very much. And one of these little, I don't know what they are. Oh, platypus. Oh, look at my... What I'm noticing, even though I've only driven 150 k south, look, it's getting all tropical. I like that. Is that a banana tree? It looks like a banana tree. Yeah, that's pretty well. Tell you what, I like to give you plastic bags in Thailand. Wow. Hey, you can keep this one. Here. Look at my bike. Now I don't think I've worn a mask in about 3 months, but the pollution in Bangkok in the last 2 days was horrendous. I went out for a walk and I started coughing just out of nowhere. So as I'm going south, as I'm going south, it's clearing up, and I won't be wearing the mask.
ขายเขาขายบ้าน
Yeah?
หก
Yeah,
ล้าน
cheap. Oh, you want me to? How much?
ไร่กว่า6
Well,
ล้าน
oh yeah, want to buy that land over there?
4 ไร่
Maybe. Rocking and rolling. Look at this little road, it's cool. I love it. On the road to Gundagai. There's a track winding back with an old-fashioned track. There's a track winding back with an old-fashioned track on the road to Gundagai. Hey, I just saw my first monkeys. Look. Check this out. They're the first monkeys I've seen, wild monkeys in Thailand. You see it? Wow, look at it. What a monkey. Oh, baby monkeys. Hello. Man, they look a bit scary. Shit. Crazy monkeys. This monkey business. Wow, look at the rock. Beautiful. Look at that stone. Beautiful stone. So I just left the little bike there, and I'm gonna get this. Now online they said I could ride the motorbike up, but they got a sign that you can't, so here I am. Oh well, 25 baht to go up, that's fair enough. You can't complain about that. I gotta seriously get some K's under my belt after this. I haven't done enough K's. I'm so behind my schedule. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where I'm sleeping tonight. Anyway. Hey, that's good. Those buses were all full. Maybe it's getting a little bit quieter and I can go up there and have some peace. Hey, what? Some of the, even though I'm a Christian, some of the architecture of these temples is just magnificent. Here we go. So this is the famous Khao Luang Cave. I'm in the province of Phetchaburi. Phetchaburi. Do I have to get one of those? Wear a lion's hat on my head. Let's go. See monkey see monkey do. Khao Luang Cave. Okay, how are you? Sawadee. Wow, like an enchanted forest. looks cool. Wow. That looks incredible. That looks incredible. Okay, maybe it'll get quiet soon. Yeah, he's going. Wow, look at that. Wow. One thing you got to do when you're taking video is don't look at the camera all the time and absorb it, because this is pure nature. You never know what's going to happen. I've got a feeling I'm going to be left alone. Could you believe it? Let's see. I feel like Indiana Jones. Are you kidding me? I read about it on the, I didn't plan it this way, I read about it on the internet. They said in the morning or in the afternoon, you could catch the light streaming in. Wow.